It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce your eyes, and the sharp lines hold your gaze. The fascinating coupe-like design manages airflow for more stability and better visibility in messy weather. Seat 5 comfortably in sporty style with front sport seats, ambient interior lighting, and dual-zone climate control. Use the central controller and 8-inch color display to flip through options for the media interface, Embrace Connect, and Bluetooth. It has the convenient smart key with keyless start, and your safety is considered with attention assist. And still there's more to impress, including the powerful and efficient 2-liter turbo engine, 7-speed DCT dual clutch automatic transmission, dynamic select, and the Eco Start-Stop system. Maximize your drive time with entertainment choices and sensational performance. Treat yourself to this CLA today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.